Bangor school officials showed off some of the new features at the newly renovated Cameron Stadium today. Bangor Director of Athletics Stephen Van Edelstein says they're about 95% finished with work. The field will be used for soccer, field hockey, football, lacrosse, and track. Last fall, Bangor voters approved spending $2.7 million for the installation of the artificial turf field and an 8-lane track. The hope is the Maine Principals Association will now consider the venue for hosting state or regional championships again.
If they need a field hockey site, football site, soccer, track, anything, lacrosse, anything that would be offered at the state or the regional play we'd like to do, and before we couldn't because of the condition of the field. Years ago when we were a grass field and it was a great field, we were host. But then as other communities got turf, we ended up not being asked. So now we're going to be back on the list and saying to the MPA, we'd love to host. If you would like us to, we'll be a host for those events.
If everything goes right, they hope to have Bangor's first home football game there on September 10th.